Get HTML source of WebElement and Selenium WebDriver using Python. I'm using the Python bindings to run Selenium WebDriver. I know I can grab a WebElement like so. And I know I can get the full page source with. But is there a way to get the element source? The Selenium WebDriver documentation for Python are basically non-existent, and I don't see anything in the code that seems to enable that functionality. What is the best way to access the HTML of an element, and its children?
You can read the innerml attribute to get the source of the content of the element, or outerml for the source with the current element. Python, Java, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, PHP. It was tested and worked with the Chrome driver.
There is not really a straightforward way of getting the HTML source code of a web element. You will have to use JavaScript. I am not too sure about Python bindings, but you can easily do like this in Java. I am sure there must be something similar to JavaScript executor class in Python.
Sure, we can get all HTML source code with this script below in Selenium Python. If you want to save it to file, I suggest saving to a file because source code is very long.
In Ruby, using Selenium WebDriver 2.32.1, there is a page_source method that contains the entire page source.